So director no catch say nyum we nko de we de bia o kase abofo nyum we tru da we nyame anim ni kwini nim to yehu atiase de nkunim de ye dia ente de ho na nim to say yehu atiase nko de nkunim de ye dia eno de obia nim to na mo ko se ba ko na be fofo de ne ba de na say ejato system ena da be ena ye ya wada hey Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Hey! And now holiday, teacher rate to Adonko. Wow! Holiday. Badwam that was up. But people watching it's a fresh day and it's a brand new day. A positive. First team. And no matter what name positive. And you remember what me a Gina on us, and no better wassery, and no better one cassa over pro a year be do an good form. And I want that April the toss we do 9. We are so grateful, Radia Dawasi, a Adom, a Mobruhu, and audience watcher. And welcome to the biggest breakfast show, our TV show, Akan Kasanieka. You know, a Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. If we start break up him say, non kono bobribia da meka say, nyina ne yakabom yasudi see etimi dwindwo my Ghana ho ne to adwene. Na Ghana fa ne ntoma pa na say efefra no bribia da meka ho. Ye won ntoma pa bi say efefra ho. Ye won ntoma papa pa ho e say efefra. Di say nyina ya adwene ko banko ne hu say ye boaboa ye ho boaboa enche ye be fa san ntoma pa no ayeden. Edi efra ama baby bia no ho etimi ay kama ti baby ahye bia no baby abutu bia no baby anam bia no the first thing you have to do bibia da mekai wo soro fim pempe wo da nyame ase okwanso nkoso na wo de da no so ahye onyame nsa wa wo do ho tu nyame so bia no ade nyina be di aboa na ebese wiye na si wiye Badwam enne akoya wo de mekai se ye de no nsia kase de bebro no achi maro mfida so se ye de agokansi ebebro na afie de eye Ghana nkomo no so edi atoaso edi amao eno achi so eno ya wo de maro efisem ana empense mu so ede ewo ho edi monti ya hihye sisu kama ana edi ebro bio mamenka o se obekoso ahwe after 9 o'clock no ye e kan say ye TV no ahwe ahunioma pa yesu edi ebro ebribia edam ade ba kwa mpese bribia da mekai wo ne se bebia edu as oman Ghana no Oman Ghana ho punto ne nkanko ho nkomo no enko gina nipa ba ko bi so ana eko bi so abaye ye nyina ya sudie enti de bia da wo sori a adwuma wo koye se wo ye taxi driver se wo ye trotro driver se wo ye dwadini se wo ye aban adwuma na se wo ye ankrankra adwuma ana wo ye myself wo ankasa wo adwuma no mesre be bia obutu be bia hye bia no your contribution no na be ma Ghana eti magina ne na so ye nana no so madaroma monsumo futuo no makwankyere na monso be ma Ghana so agyan na so ye they say ajaje for monso ahobrasiem monso said embosi aye monnioma no ba ejidi aye pe omumu no eno so atimi apagya saa so na aposi for so make akere monso mana montuo eastern ebebo yi pa ma yetimi ho se say ni say ana yeko esema hodo atojo do bokata no mede broba make say the countdown ashase Christopher na montuo no owu sorry no ashase enti efiada ne memenda na ne kwasiada no Christopher we are from na nyina no eni adaje kra mejiri se also be join there the man is beautiful those yenuanom muslimi for so guso ono so chire kom bompaye ma wi ase Ghana ono Ghana so Ghana ana emu adwuma ni mu mpanyimfo ene eye emu how ene omankasa abrabo ne obo businesses enti eche se oba honhom fam Ghana ya pampe kese pa kremofo na hyase ana Christopher so to aso nti eja wo Ghana mu ebe wie nkunimdie kama ede amanti bia obia no just be a proud Ghanaian kachira won say achia batemu ye be very proud say you are a Ghanaian if you wake up obompire the next thing is the pledge to really do what is right for mother Ghana say the be Ghana bitimi akogina mpempen so a esese etimi ejina the brema ho kwan nsema wo do de atojo do bokratem quickly me dey bro daily graphic na me dey be share daily graphic anyway or say deep in peace in country clergymen rally citizenry at Easter and wasem ana Daily Graphic the obokrata no so ede aba wo hwe animan me say infonye da ha 17 mmdas tackle flooding in Odo Basin. Now it's flanked. They are flanked by Sector Minister Francis Asenso Boache, Minister Works and Housing. Now she be also stop the floods. Man or Minister which I don't understand. They see to Tobrim. Yenhwe na yema insuo a ebe yiri afa potem no enya de hia ebe ya de hia de a na chese yeso ya bra bo no ye su ne ye ban bi ho a ese ehwe ne ejan apiate temporary structures at routine level and a Supreme Court bars question from Parliament member of Parliament NDC Asen North ese ohwe court to bata she said there be ontimi enhye no ho enyina se oye emrahye bedwani adwenche no akoye pi nti ebekoso edisa enkomo no LEAP beneficiaries to receive $42 million World Bank support and was Daily Graphic and so about over the Ghanaian Times I was saying Asen North MP barred from Parliament. Energy Minister greeted with doomsday at Meet the Press really and what's over the Ghanaian Times and rather Minister Energy area Napo na oko kushia central for se toa nyoma ekoko so se ohwema na asemba kwa da makoma so ne skills ba kwa nipa bi ne mu demonstrate won here dumso ebreni assess mi na and afi enim ha so daily the Ghanaian Times Deputy Lands Minister inspects temporary accommodation for Apiate and wasem e wo hanum say Easter messages from the clergy or say pray for global peace and stability. The Ghanaian Times so the ehwasem ede aba Daily Guide kasa no pay their change na any man say I'll say MPP constituency election nomination is open on Tuesday and wasem bo han say infonye da say James Getchi Kwesen ono so ni infonye eda it's over Boga MP stripped and wasem ana Daily Guide so ede aba and I will hand over to MPP president Nana Adodanko Akufo-Addo ana ekasa kire the MPP Amanyu Akufo say the kure wo mpa ne say Messi form na Messi form am gidi pefe yi say Messi form the baton no ama MPP candidate so somebody oman Ghana so Nana akasa enti ono na dwenkire no oba Daily Guide anim heya anso a Kwawu Chief's rubbish injunction on book launch and what's Daily Guide ede aba and what's one say after the new crusading guide appears to victim structures ready in May. Honorable Benito Anakase and after the big one Supreme Court blocks Asen North MP and what's and so that anima Communication Ministry kicks start training for 5,000 girls as part of Girls in ICTC program. And what's under the new crusading guide and so ede aba and which is daybreak as some denima kesipano say court throws out national security over piracy suspects and what's some han say and FDA under fire as to why FDA under fire no daybreak the democrat anoko pebia ebebo na watimo de echo $13 trillion spent on war can end extreme poverty in Africa. And what's enso enya chefa ewo day break. The Chronicle enso say consumers steal 3.2 billion cedis from ECG. Wow. Emu patu do na eyusu enyinem kania. We know them. Unfortunately, we are not ready to just expose them. A car, bias, no. If we say can far away from no. A car, a dog, one way or the other, we are bearing direct cost because of yenyanum bimu and it's here bonia and your papa. So the Chronicle say, Kwesen can't hold himself as MP anymore. And Animal Research Institute and land under siege. Consumers steal 3.2 billion Ghana cedi from ECG, and suspects in 21 million Ghana cedi attempted fraud at Fidelity Bank dragged to court. And what's them say? NLA for Simen Cow say on by live draw at the free a year or bombing Easter Brewery. And Mary say the whole multimedia group led by a year Adom FM into on quite in a few called Chiliaba. Fashion team. It's a shas here a chinada na yakuwino ne question na ne juada no so no yetimi abetemu ye enka hanum see. The Daily Statesman said Works and Housing Minister laments poor attitude towards waste. That's very true. You know, quite a fast dispose of refuse, no, very worrying. And ya you shouldn't talk a crab, you are your man. AP free and bond tissue, you got a more. Put him saying, I'm meaning the queen. A choir, you move binum, Eddie in Ratu Basa. And I choke most of our gutters at this problem when you're at the brain. Sector Minister Era Asenso Boache and Ekasa and Koboy at the chair. Almost all the papers, the issue about Era question Asen North Mashibe Janine or Daily Statesman so the Aba or the Supreme Court bars NDC MP from Parliament and pay for the energy you consume, Energy Minister and the Ghana focus. So no unia who is when you teach Bibiano, who you show in them Kenya, you do the 3 hours so they are now to a bassa na yen ebo kanafi a man semna kwa kesi yenye careful and yes sir MY. Now the business finance so they are it's so worrying. ECG loses 3.2 billion Ghana cedi to power theft. In a holding Kenya ye no. You know, we are power. Yes, you say we are no say crown and never boy dinner. One soon will be a potem or you may be a potem or no, and a more would two or we are can unim. But one candia. Better than a win is at 3.2 billion. Yes, Kaketwa. It is all a Ghana in our son of Panabon Pie. Now, what the Ghana pledge in the sorcery. Now, one Casa the core values, first tool of the Ghanaian patriotism and love for your country. Now, by Yen Shaham will be a team for Kotikwan, so a real Ghana and you never hold there. We can see a near Nina, could see 3.2 billion Ghana cedi. There's a nipa no drone a good Ghana. No, you move fana. And you know, holding chrono na yebo, and it's very bad. Any man say ECG's losses hit 22.1 billion Ghana cedi in 5 years. As system losses rise to 30.31%. And finally, the analyst, business analyst, will say Ghana bags $783 million from petroleum revenue in 2021. And what's our FD sleeping on the job as pharmaceutical products flood cosmetic shops instead of pharmacy shops. And what's Anna and Kratan and the Abadi Abrimai Hokwai and on the Edibisian say now Yakofa Cassian, Mamen Cow say, I'm not sure by I crado enche no pepe or the in summer hodua atoja ewo a year Iwiasia Franenina, especially Ghana. Honsem ebetimi di abro kame ko but I have honsem aba ntini mejahwa emwa I have honsem aba mejahwa emwa Newmont I have North project takes off Lands Ministry otumfo resolve a year standoff na ntawantawa kakra da I have North and Newmont efa wonu jumedi fufra wonu be I have North no ene ye kase otikoko otumfo krura or the nurse form on the Lands Ministry, on the Newmont for an another wedding come. I'm a BBA team. My uncle quickly now, any Anochiwaba. Marching.
Yeah, I'm your mind.
Anochiwaba sausage, them just appear still in water. Or text message at the Abbey. It appears still water, their problem. You'll never be able to call.
And
some of the call Cassian, but to the back will be at to my quick and send your corner.
You're breading to your home. Your Baccacha Senka for say, Omusi quine soa, will be what to send the movie out in the here.
Okay.
Omo for Munko Drasum dream, ye Eastern tea, no be able to come with a cacoton crow for Megu, Eastern what you know, Abrabo.